Welcome back to Let's Fabricate. My name is Cody, and today we are going over the first segment of a three-part series on the Esab Rebel 215 IC. Today we're going to go over the MIG welding side of things and show you kind of what it can do and how easy it really is to just plug and play. You plug the machine in, you tell it what you're working with, and you can start welding. So basically, somebody who is not that experienced welding can start welding in no time at all with this machine. So let's get started. So here we have the Rebel 215 IC. Here's the main screen. This is what you will get when you turn the machine on. So today we're going to be dealing with the SMIG function. So if we click on that, it'll ask us our wire size. Today we're using some 30 thousandths wire, so we click on that. And basically it asks you your material thickness and how you want the weld. You can input, we're working with 3/16 today, so 330 will be just fine. And you can work with the voltage some too to determine how the weld will look. It'll come from the factory right in the middle. That works just fine. I like it to be a little bit convex, so we're gonna put it about 2+, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Literally a monkey could do this. So as you can see, that machine does a pretty dang good job of making two different setting adjustments and making a pretty awesome weld. It's smoother than most of the blue machines I've ever used, and it just seems to keep going. And we're plugged into 120 volt. All the multi-process machines I've ever used that are dual voltage weld really cool on 120 volt. This one, 120 volts, you plug it in to your normal wall outlet and it welds just as good as if it was on 240. So that's it for today. Today's gonna be kind of a short video, but you get what you pay for. You can see this thing's still hot, but the MIG side of the Esab Rebel 215 pretty phenomenal, especially only being plugged into 120 volts. On this side of the shop, that's all I have right now. I need to wire in some 240 plugs, but for 120 volt weld on a small inverter style machine, that's pretty phenomenal if you ask me. A few things I didn't go over before. We are running a C25 shielding gas, so 25% CO2, 75% argon. We're running about 38 CFH, which for MIG welding as a multi-purpose machine, that's where I like to have it so I can go outside and weld in the wind if I need to, a light breeze. or I can weld in the shop and not worry about wasting a ton of gas. So that's what we have. We have a 11 or 12 pound spool of Blue Demon 30 thousandths filler material and the standard settings. It comes with a Tweco torch and everything else. So it does work really well. I have been absolutely impressed with the MIG side of things. But if you're looking for a turn and burn machine, you plug it in, adjust a couple things, it's good to go. Out of the box, that machine has impressed the heck out of me time and time again. So if you're looking for a multi-process or even just a MIG machine, as far as MIG welding, that machine welds better than some $2,000 machines that I've used for countless hours. So I would definitely look into it before buying a MIG machine or any kind of welding machine, because this one you can grow with. You can use the stick function that is absolutely awesome, 60-10 capable, 60-11 capable. We're going to go over the stick side of things here in the next video. But that's going to be it for today, folks. I'm tired. It's been a long week. So like, comment, subscribe. Tell us what you want to see next time. But for today, don't force it. Just get a bigger hammer.